Hello friends, a warm welcome to Family Recipe Ghar session. Today let's quickly learn how to make Batata Human GSB style. Batata means potatoes and Human is a masala based gravy in which we don't use any seasoning. It is made by simply using coconut oil and asafoetida dissolved water. I have taken asafoetida paste here, so to dissolve it I have added about 1.5 tablespoon of water. By the time the gravy is done, the asafoetida will dissolve in it. So things needed are, I have taken about 5 red chilies, these are spicy variety, and 3 other variety chilies, these are not spicy but adds up to the volume of the masala. I have taken about 1 fist of cashews. This will give a beautiful taste to the gravy. 2 medium sized potatoes chopped into cubes, salt to taste, and smaller than a lemon size tamarind, and of course asafoetida and coconut oil to infuse the flavor. No seasoning. So here I have about 1.5 cups of coconut. Here I have about half a liter of boiling water. This is almost 1 liter vessel. So in goes my potatoes and cashews as well. Both of them are to be boiled well. Let us add salt now to taste and give it a rolling boil and then simmer it till the potatoes and cashews go soft. Potatoes and cashews have come to a rolling boil, so I am going to simmer it and let it cook. In the meanwhile, let us saute the red chilies so that they become crisp. They are already sun dried, so they are crisp actually. I am just going to saute it in case you need to know that. I am going to put off the flame. Let us grind the red chilies that are sauteed, tamarind and the coconut together to a very smooth paste with water. The masala is all done and ready. Just check up. It has to be this smooth. Very smooth. If it is ground smooth, you can even make it a runny gravy and it goes well with your rice also. Or if you make it thick, it can be had as a side dish. Check on our potatoes. Yeah, they are very soft and done. And what about the cashews? See, they are also just about done and smooth. In goes the masala. Give it a good mix. If you are going to use this dish as a side dish, then this much of thickness is enough. If you are going to have it with rice, then you need to make it a little runny, like how I am going to do it today. Use the mixie water that you use to clean the masala with and pour it onto the vessel. Now you can see it's a little runny, and this is sufficient to go with the rice. Masala has been boiling for more than 4 minutes. It's all done. Let's put off the flame and then add a liberal dose of coconut oil, maybe 1.5 teaspoon, and then the flavor, asafoetida dissolved water, and then immediately close the lid so that the flavor is infused in the whole of the dish. After about 5 minutes, just remove the lid and give it a good mix, and it's ready to be served. This gravy goes very well with rice, and it's chiefly done during wedding functions, but they keep it a little thick, and since it's void of onion and garlic, it can be done during functions at home. Please go ahead and give it a try, and I'm sure you will love this dish. For a change, you can try the dish without seasoning, and the oil and asafoetida adds up to the flavor. If you love this recipe, give it a try and hit the thumbs up button. Please share it with your family and friends, and oh yeah, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. You will be getting notifications as soon as we upload new recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.